Hello everyone, today I will show you how to buy hosting from Bluehost. Remember that Bluehost gives you a free domain name. Okay, to get started click in the link below this video description. After that, click where it says, Get Started. Now you will see the packages that Bluehost offers. For example, in the basic plan you will pay $2 at 95 cents a month. You will also be hosting 10 websites, 24/7 support and many other features. After this, click in the blue part, Select. In this step you will be asked to type your domain name. For example, I will type espnhosts.com, then, search for domain. Then you will see the order summary. We have chosen the 1-year plan of hosting and our free domain name plus domain privacy protection. Then, continue to checkout. After this step, you will be asked to fill in with our personal information. And also with our credit card details or PayPal. I will complete this as an example. After you finish the process click in Submit Payment. And that's it. In the end you will need to check your email box to administrate your Bluehost account. Thank you for watching my video, please subscribe for more free content.